Hey, what's up, Latonya? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for talking to me earlier, and I appreciate you watching this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video, and the reality is there's a lot of small business owners out there that are just spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they typically don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically all it's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't an expert. And so I found that by making these videos and giving them away, some business owners end up doing this themselves, and some end up calling me and asking me to help them with it. So, whichever way is fine for me. If you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay. I just want to see business owners thrive. If you want me to help you with this, give me a call and we can chat. What I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is whatever's on the front page of your website that Google looks through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you specifically, it'd be like cleaning services in Denton or something like that, or house cleaning Denton. Now, content includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So, just to get into your business, I know that when we spoke on the phone, you said you didn't have a website, which is totally okay. I'm really glad that you are advertising on Home Advisor. It does, and Angie's List. That's a great way to get some leads. I'm going to show you here how you can get a lot more leads for a lot less money. So I'm going to compare you to one of your main competitors right now. And your main competitor for the Denton area is Buckets and Bows Maid Service, okay? So these guys, be super easy to beat them, all right? First off, as far as their content goes, let's see. I think they probably have about 1,000 words. Let's see. $19.12. So I said between 1,500 and 2,000 words. These are going to be the guys that you have to get up about 2,000 words of content on your front page to beat them. Yeah, 2,000 words of content on your front page. And again, it's super easy to do. Just write 2,000, 2,500 words of content on your front page and make sure it's stuffed with keywords you're going to be looking for. Like for them, they have house cleaning services. You want to do it like cleaning service Denton, stuff like that. Okay. Oh, that's not you. This is you. You want to do. So yeah, you want to stuff it with keywords like house cleaning Denton, cleaning services Denton, stuff like that. Also, I don't know what their images are saved as, but your images want to be saved as those keywords too. So instead of Miranda cleaning blue juice like they have, again, that's a weird name, but you can also do like cleaning services Denton, stuff like that. That all counts as content, okay? So that's my first tip. Get yourself a website with 2,000 words at least and save the images correctly. The next thing I'm talking about is backlinks. And this is where it really shines right here because these guys are not doing it right and you can easily beat them. So backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest and they look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you because obviously Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use. Not the smartest thing for people to get if they're not in the marketing realm, but for me, it gives me a lot of really valuable data. And so your main competitor, bucketsbows.com, with their back page right here, they only have 3 websites linking to them. Now, I'm not going to act like that's all that's powering them. They are a much bigger website. However, these guys are number 1, and they're holding the number 1 spot with 3, and they're not considered local. So what that translates for you is if you wanted to beat them for sure, you would only need to get like 15 to 20 websites linking to you. And that is super easy to do. You can typically do about 10 a day really easily. And so the best way to do this is just go to their whole domain and just go take 20 of their links. So they have 373 on their main website. You go take the maid service today, all these. You go on their website and go try to get a link from all these businesses. If you get 20 of them and you're targeting cleaning service Denton TX, you're going to easily beat those guys out. So that's my second tip for you, is to get 20 websites linking to you. Because if you take the number 1 spot, look how much people are getting per month. That's 72 people per month they get by just being number 1 in Google. Like, you don't have to pay Angie's List for that. You don't have to pay Home Advisor for that. That's a lot of business for you just for free. The last thing I'm going to talk about is citations. When somebody does type in cleaning service Denton TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning service that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that cleaning service because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads right here because they've had bad experiences, and there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who never see them. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, and citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Ages List, Home Advisor, Nextdoor, Thumbtack, Valpak. These are all really common ones. A great strategy here is to figure out what directories all your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take this #1 spot, it takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you. You maybe have to do like an hour or two of work per month just to beat these guys out, keep getting those easy close customers, and hold that #1 spot. That's all I've got for you, Latonya. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over for you today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up, and then you're going to add more content than your competitors. So we're talking about 2,000, 2,250. If you really are feeling saucy, you go for 2,500 words. Backlinks, really easy. You're in what we call low-hanging fruit. You can take them over in like literally 2 days of work. Just go copy your main competitor's backlinks and go add a bunch more on top. And then the last one is to copy your competitors' citations, and you can do this without a website. Just go figure out what directories are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. Latonya, like I said before, if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that would make me super happy. I'm just here to see businesses thrive. That's totally okay with me. All I ask you, give me some feedback, and if you do want me to help you with this, just give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, Latonya. I hope you have a great day. Bye.